So you guys can just stand like right here.
Yeah.
And first I'm gonna have you lined up side by side, hands in pockets. So you're gonna be in the middle. If you want to, you can.
I'm in the middle. No, Drew's in the middle. Oh, he's in the middle. Right.
Just gonna take a test shot here. David's look at Drew. Give him a nudge.
Nudge?
Yeah, like roughhouse him.
I'm gonna get you back for all that.
All right.
I've done editing to you.
Now I want you, Drew, to come out a little bit further. Yep. And then you two are gonna look at Drew. Perfect. Drew, look up in this way. Awesome. Gonna just switch lenses, switch cameras here real quick.
You looking at Drew or you looking at the camera?
Now I want you guys to come up close to him now and put your shoulders at his and still be behind him.
Oh.
So come, yep.
So like
Put your shoulder on the back of his. Perfect. Yeah, you can turn a little bit out that way. Yeah. Angle that, put that foot back. Yep. Perfect. Ooh.
Mr. Skiff.
That looks great.
What are you talking about? Which one? That's a better smile.
Yeah, which one?
There you go. I don't smile with my teeth.
Gonna come up close here.
That's why I don't.
You are not showing teeth. That's hilarious.
Big laugh.
There you go. That's much better.
So you're gonna walk towards me and I'm just gonna continue to back up. So when I say go, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Good.
You look pretty.
I'm sorry?
You look pretty.
Yeah. Yeah.
I go for
Shut up, no one cares.
I go for handsome.
Do you want to try to pick up Drew?
Kind of fat. I mean, excuse me. I can pick him up. I'll throw him right up to my shoulder, fireman's carry. In what way are we picking him up?
Pick up his legs. Pick up his legs.
Come here, boy. Go to the other side. Carry him like this.
Great.
Dude, I'm not dying. That's dramatic. Plus my bag is breaking. Yeah, you look very comfy, Drew.
Awesome.
Yeah, do it.
Yeah, do you have
Oh, I have
cool?
to do
Oh, yes.
No, I don't have cool socks. Oh well. And also, so it's not gonna look that different. That's your way to do it. Katie got me these socks, so
Awesome.
I bought my own socks. I didn't.
Okay, now come in closer. Perfect.
Looks lovely.
See, cute look. Wait for it.
Awesome.
David, you look like such a nerd with your suspenders and your glasses.
But your hair looks good. I don't know.
Awesome. So I'm gonna get some of just you, Drew. Look over this way.
Maybe we're not in this. Yeah, I don't think so.
Great.
Am I supposed to be smiling in those?
You can, or you cannot.
I mean, you're getting married, so you might want to look happy.
Perfect. Gonna get your hand.
Back up, actually.
Not like that.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Fine, fine, fine. It's over in the bathroom. Not this fine.
What am I supposed to look?
Okay, can you put your hands in your pockets? Perfect. Perfect. That's great.